guys, welcome to Vlogmas, what is going to be Vlogmas day 21 and 22 because I worked so long today and right in the middle of the day I got nothing done apart from work. My eyeshadow creased so bad. I put some hourglass like glitter over top of it. It's just one of those days, but I was rushing to do my makeup. I like how my foundation turned out, but the rest I'm like, eh. So anyway, we wore crazy Christmas sweaters today. Mine has a llama on it, and he's got little bells. The cats keep thinking that it's a toy. So it was definitely crazy. Obviously, like the Saturday before Christmas is gonna be nuts, and it definitely was crazy. So I am exhausted. We're getting some food because I didn't plan ahead and like get something ready. We did not plan ahead on like what to do for dinner and all that. So we're getting some food. We're probably just gonna like chill on the couch for a little bit, and then I'll try to get up early tomorrow. I need to get my house in order. I also need to, Monday I need to go get like hella groceries. I want to like make some like desserts and stuff, and you know, just have like food for Christmas. So I have a lot to do. So in the morning I'll probably like straighten up around here and get everything in somewhat better order. So I'm gonna do advent calendars for 2 days, and that way this vlog, even though I probably will just be literally be just me in my house, maybe it'll still be interesting. So wow, it's a big one. So we got 21 is a pretty big one, and then 22 is right here. Sniffles is like, what's going on? Wow, it's so close. I hate to like split up a Vlogmas right now when I've done such a good job of being, you know, I've only missed 1 day, but nothing going on today. Oh, so these are from Patchology. They're the Mood Patch Happy Place. This is tea infused aromatherapy eye gels, and then I got the Perk Up. Okay, they're also, so there's rose, hibiscus, lotus flower, and then I also got the green tea bergamot white mulberry. So I have not tried anything from Patchology, I don't believe at all, but I've heard about their stuff and I am excited to give those a try. And then we got 22. This one's a little heftier. What is this? Oh, this is Armani Code Absolute. I do believe this is men's. This is a cute little size. I will put this, oh wow, that like spilled out on my hands. Oh God. Okay, so it's just like one of those little dab things, but it's a cute little bottle. But I will put this in Zach's stocking. It's really cute. And then I guess you get a sample, like a tiny sample of the women's. It smells pretty good. I'll have to wear that. I do not want any more fragrance on me right now though. Like fragrance spraying all day long in the air, it was a little much. Do you want to smell it? Oh, you giving us your butt? Hey. Hey, Bino. Hey, Bean. I don't want to pet you too much. I'll get cologne on you. I'm never really excited about fragrance samples. I don't know. I guess like to me, I kind of know what I like. Hey, what are y'all doing? Sugarfina. All right, I still didn't replace that one cube, but we got these two lasso balls. All right, so the pastel ones I think are fruity cereal. Oh no, these are candy cane caramels. Absolutely not. There is not a chance in hell. I don't really know what these are, but I kind of like these. The fruity cereal. It's actually pretty good. It's like crunchy, but like fruity and chocolatey. Weird. All right, and then we got Look Fantastic. Let's locate. Oh, I see 21. 21's up here. And then 22 is way down here. There's gonna be so little left, only a few days of each. This one's a square box. This is the Delilah Brow Groom Double-Ended Brow Groomer, and it's in the shade Sable. Okay, so that's what it looks like. Oh no, okay, well it's not too bad. So that's what it looks like. I think I'll give that a try. I've never heard of this brand. So I'm gonna leave that in the box as it'll be like a new addition to my collection. 22, these are the Bubble Tea Look Fantastic Salted Caramel Bath Fizzies. Sodium bicarbonate, citric acid, parfum. And that's it. So these don't seem to have anything like, oh, they're open. They smell nice. Salted caramel. That's what it looks like. They seem like they're just going to make the bath fizz. They don't have any like nourishing, hydrating ingredients. They smell good. It looks cute, but I don't know. I'm so addicted to Lush, honestly, that is not extremely intriguing, but I will give those a shot. I'll let you know if I like them. That is it for now. I'm just gonna call it a night so I have some time to relax and hope you guys understand. I know you will. So I'm going to get comfortable, hang with the kitties, and have a nice relaxing evening. I'll probably edit this clip, and then in the morning we'll see if we can get my world in order. I have bags of clothes, by the way. I have Forever 21 and I also have Boohoo. And I've been really impressed with the things that I've gotten recently, especially from Boohoo. I really was super happy with everything. So I'll definitely do a try on haul soon. And I also want to film my favorites of the year and also my misses of the year or whatever. I'm gonna figure out what to call that, but I also have like this weird idea about how to do it. And I'm not sure how to execute it properly, but I think I'm gonna go with it. It's something different. I haven't seen anybody do it, so we're gonna see, but I definitely need some time off to film that, and I don't know when I'm gonna get it done. I actually am thinking about filming Christmas night, like after, you know, all the festivities are done and, you know, just kind of relaxing, maybe filming a video, because otherwise I don't know when I'm gonna do it. So yeah, I'm gonna stop rambling because I'm gonna just ramble on forever. So I hope you guys are doing amazing, and I'll talk to you in the morning. All right guys, it is still Saturday night. So I am having a Lush bath, and I put in the strawberries and cream. This one I chose because it's a little bit more hydrating and it's one of my more staple ones. So it is bath time. I'm gonna watch some videos, catch up on some things on YouTube that I've been missing, and relax for a bit before I go to bed. And I'll see you guys in the morning. Can you guys hear the rain? It's basically 100% chance of rain here all day. It's kind of relaxing actually. I wish though that I was staying home today, because that would be nice. But it is now Sunday morning. I have a couple little packages to share with you. One was a purchase, one I got from Influencer, so I'm pretty happy about that. And I'm having some coffee. I've got it in this little owl mug. It says fa la la. So I made sure to get up early enough to kind of get my life in order a little bit, hopefully pick the house up, straighten up a little bit, because my parents are coming on Wednesday, but I work every day until, so I've got to find like little times to do things, and then of course edit this vlog for you guys, and that way I can put the final touches on the video and the upload when I'm at work on my lunch break. Otherwise it won't get done. First things first, I got this box from Influencer and Origins. It's really pretty. I love the little like roses on it. But this is their Pretty in Bloom SPF 20 Flower Infused Longwear Foundation. So I believe this is like foundation, not like tinted moisturizer. So I'm very excited to try this. It says it has 24-hour wear, sweat and humidity resistant, and 12 nourishing flowers are in the formulation. Curious to see if this says how many shades. Okay, so there are 30 shades. I mean, for a skincare brand, I think that's pretty decent. I got shade 100, which is the lightest. It's very light cool. I picked that obviously not really knowing what it was going to be like. 30 shades typically, like with that type of a big shade range, I'm, you know, in the first 2 to 3 maybe, just depending on how light they go. The shade range is looking a little bit deeper, which is good because you've got a lot of, you know, this like middle ground of skin tone. You got some deep and some light. So yeah, obviously like this is very different than actual skin tones, but it seems just from looking at this that there may be a really good range in it. What else? So there's 3 undertones. Rosy is pink, red, blue. It's a cool undertone. Bouquet is what they're calling their neutral undertone. It's a little bit of pink, a little bit of yellow. And marigold is the warm undertone, yellow, peach, and golden. So let's just take a look. First off, it's in the books. I will use this in a video if you guys are interested. It's been a while since I just like sat down and just used products, so I'd be keen to do that. I think it's very pretty, simplistic, but nice. And it is a full fluid ounce. It doesn't feel like a huge packaging, which is nice though. I feel like some of them, like they're all an ounce, and yet some packaging is really big and bulky, which is really unnecessary. So this seems nice. It does have titanium dioxide and zinc oxide. Okay, so those are your sunscreens. Oh, it says blend with fingertips or brush. Of course, you know me, I am always very, very tempted to use my sponge. This looks like it might be really light. Honestly, things seem like that a lot for me, but then as they blend and dry, they aren't. But this one might be on the... Moonchild doesn't even have a mirror. Yeah, that looks really light. I mean, good for them for having a light color. Yeah, it looks like it might be a little bit light for me. I'll let it dry down. You guys can see where it is, so we can compare if it dries down and oxidizes at all. So while we do that, I got a little package from Pat McGrath. So if you missed it, they had a deal where a ton of their lipsticks were only $10. I didn't catch it when it was like brand new, so I only picked up 3. Had I seen it earlier, I probably would have gotten more, but I basically got I got 3 lipsticks for what, less than the price of one, or for the price of one. Packaging is just insane on these. Like, how do you even, like, just really beautiful, interesting packaging on these right here. So I got 3 shades. I got Madame Grage, Valletta, and I also got Realness. So this is Realness. It looks a little bit more warm in person. The lighting in here is kind of rough right now because it's rainy and so drab. That looks really pretty on the skin though. Then we have Valletta. It's a really pretty, more neutral pink. It's picking up kind of weird, so if these colors look strange, I don't know, the like the darkness coming in and this rainy weather is making for weird lighting. I'm so sleepy, guys. You can probably tell if I seem like I'm miserable. It's just I'm tired and I need sleep. Madame Grage. This looks like it's gonna be right up my alley. I like colors like this. So this is Madame Grage. It's more like a mauve-y color, but it's got like this really muted feel to it. So yeah, I think I got some really pretty shades. I can't wait to wear some of these and, you know, really give the formula a good solid test and see how it is. Obviously, I mean, I think most people agree that her products are really impressive. We're gonna find out my thoughts. And I just couldn't pass that up. 10 bucks a piece. I mean, geez, you're paying like a drugstore price for Pat McGrath, yeah. All right, so I'm gonna get a little game plan going of what I want to accomplish before I go, because I've still gotta get ready, edit, do all this stuff. So I'll probably start to import this footage and then just think about what I can accomplish. And yeah, this doesn't seem to be oxidizing much. Almost forgot it was on too. I don't feel it on the skin. So yeah, there doesn't seem to be oxidation. It is definitely a little bit lighter than my neck, and it's definitely very cool. I'll say that. Like a lot of times the cool undertone that I pick up is just more neutral than the others, and then the others are really yellow, but this one seems to be good and truly light and cool. So I guess, let me look at this. If I got a different shade, I'd have to go either neutral or go to a 200, which I feel like a 200 would probably be too dark, but the 110 is neutral. The 200 is light cool, so I think like 200 will probably be the way to go, but then it might lean a little bit dark. That's usually the predicament I'm in, because I need a cooler undertone so that it doesn't look super, super yellow, that there aren't that many, so you have to kind of jump up in, you know, depth a lot. But I don't know, maybe it would be beautiful. I'm still gonna try this formula out because I can make this work. Like, I'm getting paler and paler as the days go on. So this may be a good, like, hey, January, I'm pale as hell, and I can wear it and give you my thoughts. I can always like bronze up and contour and do things to make it work. Yeah, so I don't mind it, it's fine. I can make this one work for sure. It's pretty close. So at any rate, let me go figure out my life and I'll talk to you guys in a little bit.
Hey bud, have you got your catnip banana? Okay,
so I'm gonna do a little rearranging because this is a Christmassy cat bed. The taco is not. There we go. So we got presents under the tree. I've still got to wrap stuff. This is a little pile of stuff I need to wrap. My table's back in order. I put the junk away, but it's honestly one of those times where you just kind of throw stuff in another area to get a certain area clean, you know? Hopefully someone will vacuum. Hopefully. Let's see. So, hi Beanie. Hi baby. You're so pretty. Why do you look angry? Okay. So we're taking bags. I've got Forever 21, like I told you guys. And then I've got Boohoo. Yikes. Okay. So yeah, this is just like, just get it out of the way, basically. I still haven't even cleaned up in here. Hey, bud. Hey, buddy. Okay. Now to move these bags. What are you doing? You know, no. Somebody said you were just brushing your teeth or flossing your teeth or something, but I know they were just trying to cover for you. Yeah. You're so pretty, but stop. No bites. Don't walk away from me. Okay, so I'm about to fill the kitty stocking. I still need to put a picture in here. I think that's what it's for, yeah. But that's their good kitty stocking. Oh God. Mm-hmm. But they heard their toys, so they're trying to get up here, so I gotta fill their stocking. Mama? Treat? Come on, baby, you're ruining it.
You're not ruining it. You just not supposed to see it yet.
It's a surprise, baby.
You had an egg.
Got them. No, I didn't. I was in it. Mama? So treats, and I'm filling their stocking, and they're trying to get all the toys right now. All right, so at least got the bar cleaned off, and the stools are empty, not full of shit. So that's a big improvement. And I really like my little bottles, but I don't know where to put them, so they're just gonna sit here for now. But we're gonna have like food and stuff on here, so I needed that straightened. I've still got this mess on this tray thing, but I can't deal with this right now. So yeah, that's it. And then I think I just need to close the door in here. This is still a mess. I've got a ton of empties down there. And obviously, like, I need to film videos so that I can put all this away. I haven't filmed, like, regular videos in so long, so that will be done soon. Also, a heads up, I will be picking the winners really, really soon for week. This was the week 2 prizes. These are the week 3 prizes, so I'll be picking winners very soon. I just need to be able to sit down and actually like read comments, do that kind of stuff. So that's what's going on with those. And then of course I have week 4, and I'll show you the prizes for that probably in tomorrow's video. So yeah, this is a mess. Ugh, it stresses me out just looking at it, but that's it for now, and I hope you guys are doing great. I'll talk to you tomorrow.